Hi everyone, it's Jody from the Lexington Senior Center, and I'm here today to share with you 2 easy, refreshing summer salads that really use all the great produce that's available right now. The summer corn and tomato recipe is in our August newsletter, but I will have both of these recipes printed in the comments below. So let's get started. The first one is the summer corn and tomato salad, and our ingredients are corn, and I like to use fresh corn on the cob in the summer. You can use canned. If you use canned, you want to make sure you drain the can first, or you can use frozen. I like to boil it for about a minute. You bring it to a boil and then let it sit for a minute and take it out, and then I cool it off. Once it's cool, I just take a knife and slice right down the cob into the bowl. It's a great way to use fresh corn. So you want to have about 16 ounces, 15 and a half ounces of corn. Just dump it in there. We have a cup of, these are sliced grape tomatoes. You can use a big garden tomato if you want to. Just make sure you chop it. This is cut in quarters. And just dump that in there. This is one of those easy, nice dump and go recipes. Then I chopped 2 green onions, and I used the white and the green part of the onion. Throw that in there. And then you mix it up with I start with about a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Now, if you want it a little bit more dressing, you can put more in. It's sort of up to your personal taste. So you just put some of that in there. Give it all a good stir. And the mayonnaise makes a nice little dressing because the corn has its own juice, tomatoes have its own juice, so it makes a really nice dressing. And I am going to use the whole 1/3 cup in there. And I'm going to give it a little salt and pepper. And again, this is to your taste. If you're on the low salt diet, you might want to skip the salt. A little pepper. And then the final touch, you're going to add some basil. Now I like to use fresh basil. You can grow fresh basil. You can get it at Lowe's, Walmart in the little pots, and if you take care of it, water it all summer long, it'll last you all summer long. So what I do is I lay the leaves together, I roll them up, give them a little roll, and then I take my knife and I cut little slices. Now this will give you little strings of basil, and I think it's better to do it this way, then you don't get a big bite of basil, you just get a little taste of it. So you just cut that up, sprinkle that over your salad, and give that another mix. You can serve this salad cold out of the refrigerator or at room temperature. It's great both ways. And then if you want to be fancy and show off to your friend, you can just stick a little sprig of basil on top, and there's your corn and tomato salad. Easy. All right, the next salad we're going to do is a watermelon salad. So this is about 6 cups of cubed watermelon. Watermelon's great right now. And then you're going to add about 1/4 of a red onion. Now this is sliced really thin, and I know this might sound like a kind of a weird combination, but it's really delicious. So you just sprinkle some sliced red onion in there. And then some feta cheese. This is about 5 ounces of feta cheese. Now this again, both these salads are really to your taste. If you like more cheese, you add more. If you don't like so much cheese, you don't add too much. And then you're going to give that a stir. And then, in this one, we're going to add some fresh mint. Again, mint is something you can get, the little plants, at Walmart, Target, Lowe's. Grow it out. You can grow it in your kitchen or grow it outside. And we're going to sprinkle that mint in. The mint gives it a really, really refreshing flavor. And then to top that off, we are going to take a little bit of lime juice and sprinkle that on top. Now, if you have a hard lime and you want to get a little bit more juice out of it, you just roll it on the top of your counter like that. And you can squeeze it in your hand, or if you have a juicer, that's a lot easier. I'll just juice about 1/2 of the lime and then pour that over top. Give that a good mix. And that's all there is to it. I hope that you try both of these salads. If you do, please leave a comment below and let me know how you liked it. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.